Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have here the Samsung Galaxy A25, and of course this A25 I'll show you to fix the black screen issue. Please note it's not happening to this device, but of course I'm going to show you the procedure. Alright, so in case you're having the black screen issue, where of course you're hearing sounds from your device but nothing is out of the display, and of course the display won't come on. You're hearing your messages, you're hearing notifications, but the display won't come on. This is what you do. Alright, so the first thing you do guys, you're going to locate your power button and volume down, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to press both. Now you're going to press power and volume down at the same time. Unlike mine, your screen will not come on, but keep holding power and volume down, and you're going to hold both buttons at the same time. Keep holding them. As soon as you see the Samsung logo, you're going to go ahead and let go. And of course what happens is that we have done what we call a forced restart, because of course the device screen tends to go blank or black at times. So that's usually the only way to actually get it back up. You may have to attempt this several times. So if it doesn't work the first time, go ahead and try several times. Once you do that, what should happen is that the device is going to start to boot again, and of course the display is going to come back on. Alright, if it takes a little extended time to come on, do not worry. Sometimes it takes a little while, so allow it to do its thing. It's going to restart fully. It's loading the One UI. Alright, so there you go. It now is booted up. Alright, so give it a little bit more time. And of course, it's going to finish the process and it should be functional again. So we're going to wake it up. Alright, so it's loading. I'm going to swipe. And there you go. So everything is back up now. And of course, it's up and running again. The display should work. If that fails, you can also plug this to a computer via the USB port and actually try the power and volume down again. And by trying that at least a few times, it should become back up and be fully functional and fix the black screen issue. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.